Hi guys, welcome to Khushi's Kitchen. Today I am going to prepare veg chop recipe from my homestyle cooking recipes. If you like the recipe, then press the like button and share it more with your family, friends and relatives too. Please consider the channel Khushi's Kitchen for subscription and press the bell icon to get notified of my new upcoming cooking video updates in advance. Let's start the video. Let's have a look to the ingredients which are enlisted for making this recipe. The ingredients list with detailed measurement are given here on the front page after starting the video. So you can pause the video and check the list in details. While cooking, I will also dictate the same step by step. To make veg chop, first I am peeling all the veggies. Then I am taking a vegetable chopper and started chopping carrot, beans, capsicum, spring onions, coriander leaves. This vegetable chopper is a very useful gadget of the kitchen which makes my work do just in 5 minutes. Now I am cutting the potatoes into small slices. Also cutted some cauliflower and also removing some green peas from their shell. You can also chop and cut the vegetable with the help of knife too. Now I am taking a pressure cooker and placing it on gas oven. Now switch the oven on high flame. Then I am putting all the peeled potatoes in the pressure cooker, adding some salt and sufficient water to overboil it. In the meanwhile, for this vegetable chop, we have to make a roasted masala. For that, I am taking whole cumin seeds, fennel seeds, whole coriander seeds, bay leaf, whole red chili, black peppercorns, some cinnamon stick, cloves and 1 big cardamom and 4 small cardamom. Now I am placing a frying pan on another gas burner and switching on the flame. Now roast the whole masala for some time. When an aroma started coming out from the roasted masalas, I am taking off the spices in a bowl from the pan. Now I am placing a wok on the gas burner and switch on the flame high. Then I am adding some vegetable oil to it. After heated the oil, first I am adding chopped onions and fry it for a little while. Then adding beetroot, carrot, beans too. I am also adding ginger garlic paste in equal quantity. Now giving a good stir, I am cooking the vegetable for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Now I am adding some capsicum, green peas, salt to taste, sugar to taste, and keep cooking on medium flame. In the meanwhile, I am taking the roasted masalas and make a dry powder out of it. After cooking the veggies for some time, I am adding the roasted masalas powder too. And now give a quick stir and mix the masalas with the veggies. In another burner of gas oven, I am placing another wok, adding some vegetable oil in it and let the oil be heated. After heated, I am adding the cauliflowers and frying it until it turns light golden brownish. Then taking off the fried cauliflowers in a plate. On the same oil, I am adding some peanuts and fry them until golden brown, and then take it off. Then also I am adding some raisins to the oil and frying for a little bit and take it off to a plate. On another burner where the vegetable is cooking slowly on medium flame, I am adding grated paneer to it. Now giving a good stir and adding turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, also adding some little water and let the veggies be cooked for some time. Now I am adding the previous mashed potatoes from the cooker to the wok. Now I am stirring and mixing the potato with the whole veggies well. After mixing the potato, here I am adding some spring onions, capsicum, a little bit and some chopped coriander leaves. Here also I am adding the roasted masala too and keep stirring for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. After cooking for 3 minutes, I am adding some fried cauliflower, peanuts and raisins too, giving a good and quick stir and mixing them with all the veggies very well. Also here I have added the leftover roasted masala too and cook for 2 minutes on simmer flame. Then I am turning off the flame and putting a lid on the wok and let the hot veggies to be cooled down normally. And now pouring all the veggies from the wok to a big plate. Now I am taking the veggies and making a cylindrical shape out of it. After giving the whole veggies in cylindrical shape, I am taking a bowl where I am adding half cup of all-purpose flour and 1/4 cup of corn flour. Also adding water very slowly to make a smooth, runny, watery paste out of it. Look, this is the consistency we need. I am also taking some breadcrumbs on another plate. Now I am dipping all the previously made vegchop stuffing one by one and coating it in the breadcrumbs. After coating all the vegchops in a plate, I am placing the plate in the deep freezer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I am removing the plate from the deep freezer and then again dipping and coating it for the second time. After coating for the second time, let the veg chop be stayed on normal air for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I am placing a wok on gas oven and turn the flame on high. I am adding sufficient quantity of veg oil and heated the oil until the smoke comes out. Then turning the flame on medium and frying the veg chops one by one. After frying all the chops on medium flame, now I am turning the flame on high and flash fry it once. Then I am taking a serving plate and serving all the veg chops by sprinkling some black salt and chaat masala too with onion rings, and I am trying to hear you the crispiness of the veg chop by knocking it with a knife. See how much crispy is it. It is possible because of 2 coating and 2 times frying only, and also juicy from the inside. Just look at it. Today's video is over for the time being, and we'll be coming back soon with a new cooking recipe. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all.